In this tutorial, we're going to create a VM running Ubuntu Server 14.04.3. The first step is to download the ISO from ubuntu.com. You can get the server version from, again, ubuntu.com from the download/server folder. Once it's downloaded, you'll switch to VMware and you'll create a new virtual machine. So we will do an ISO, and I have my ISO on drive D, and then we'll click next. I'm going to call this Ubuntu 64-bit server, and I'm going to store my server in drive D VM/servers. I'm going to put it in a different folder than the root VM folder, and then I'll click next. Take the default split virtual disks and take the default again and click finish. Now the installation process begins. When you're doing the install, you want to take all the defaults. There's a couple that I would recommend changing, but other than that, I would take all the defaults. So we'll install Ubuntu Server, and I'm just hitting enter. Now we'll give our computer a unique host name. We'll call it Steve Giles. And this is our new user, so this is very important because this is what you need when it's time to log on to the server. And I'll say it's okay to use a weak password, and to change between yes and no, I'm just using my arrow keys. Encrypt your home directory, we'll say no. Normally we would say yes because this is a server. Alright, this is one item we're going to change, and we're actually using the guided use entire disk. And we'll change this one too and say write changes to disk. This is a very important step where we can select any additional software that we want installed beyond the basic operating system. One of the things that we really want to do is install OpenSSH Server. So you can select one of these by just clicking the space bar. And we could do a full-blown web server, be like really a LAMP server, a mail server, anything like that. But really, all we want is the OpenSSH server. And then we'll continue. And if you did not select it here, it's okay, because you can use the apt-get command and install it manually. Now the installation is complete, and we'll log on with the user information that we created earlier. And we're done. So if you've been following along, congratulations, you've installed Ubuntu server.